In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install an oil pressure sensor thread adapter made specifically for Chevrolet small block engines. This adapter features a 45-degree port and two 90-degree ports, allowing you to easily connect multiple accessories as space allows. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Locate the factory oil pressure switch on the back of the engine block, placed at the rear of the intake manifold. It is under the distributor, closer to the driver's side. Please note, in some cases, removing the distributor cap or the entire distributor will make it easier to gain access. Be sure to take the necessary steps to keep the engine timing if you remove the distributor. Disconnect the oil pressure switch power harness. In most cases, this is just one wire, and the sensor only controls a dummy light. Removing it will not affect the engine and will not cause a check engine light. Remove the factory oil pressure switch and the factory adapter using an appropriately sized wrench for your year and model. Grab your GlowShift sensor adapter and wrap the threads with Teflon tape. Seat the adapter into the engine block and tighten using a 19mm socket. Wrap the included port plugs with Teflon tape and thread them into any unused ports using a 5mm Allen key. It may be necessary to adjust the adapter in order to tighten the port plugs. Be sure to retighten the adapter once you have finished plugging the unused ports. If space allows, you may choose to reinstall the factory sensor. Be sure to wrap Teflon tape around the threads and reconnect the factory harness. Thread the electronic sensor included with your GlowShift oil pressure gauge into the selected port and tighten using a 22mm wrench. Connect the sensor harness into the oil pressure sensor and route the wire to the gauge. Reinstall the distributor if it was removed. Be sure to check timing anytime you loosen the distributor. You've now successfully installed your oil pressure sensor thread adapter for Chevrolet small block engines. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.